So what are the principles of how a scan ladder works and why is it so accurate? Well, to show you that, let's have a look at this model. From this model, we can see that we have 4 implants with the scan bodies all converged into one central area. That's called centrally focusing. And that's the first primary source of why a scan ladder is so accurate, because on the first scan, as that scanner sits above this, then it picks up the position of all of those scan bodies within 1 or 2 frames, and then can figure out from that, as we travel up those scan bodies, where the rest of this scan body sits. The second feature that is patented and is unarguable as the only source of this in the whole world is the fact that these scan bodies are each and every one individual. Every one is different to the other. Each of them has an individual shape at the front, and every single one has a different surface that's really milled into it in a different way. They all have different notches, different cutouts, different shapes. And what that means is that as the scanner picks up from those first few frames and starts scanning across those scan bodies, that means that every single frame that scanner scans can easily be added together like a very accurate puzzle piece. When we look at more regular scan bodies or options where they might not have all of these features, even if they're centralized, the problem is by regular features or flat surfaces, as the scanner travels up that surface, it doesn't know how to put those frames together very well, because the surface is so flat and so square that the 2 frames might look like they should join together when actually they should maybe sit a little bit differently. Whereas with the scan ladder, each of the surface frames that it picks up can be added together really well and also accurately, and precisely so. So what do I mean by that? Well, if we look at the study that's been done, we've seen that that is up to 13 micron accuracy across the arch. But the important feature that's also here, as well as this accuracy, is that each and every scan body has the same cylinder that is within at the end on the fitting surface of where it screws down onto a multi-unit. What does that do? Well, that gives the lab the position of where the implants with one common library. Again, a different patent feature that we'd be able to introduce that means that not only do we have all of these individual features, that means that no scan frame can be confused, but also we have the luxury of having one single library. So the scanner never gets confused, but also the lab technician can work really easily and simply within the CAD software that they're using. So that's a little whistle-stop tour of how a scan ladder works. I hope that's understandable, and you can go on to scanladder.com, learn more about it, or just go on our Instagram and Facebook pages and see all the wonderful posts from our users all around the world.